Hello students, in this video I will explain you the introduction of differential equation and I will cover these three topics. What is the meaning of differential equation, what is the order of differential equation and what is the degree of differential equation. Exercise 9.1 is based on these three topics. Now you see an equation involving derivatives of dependent variable. Here the dependent variable is y. What is the dependent variable? Y. So the derivative of y with respect to independent variable. What is independent variable here? It is x. So we can say that the derivative of y with respect to x. So the equations which are involving these are the differential equations. Indirectly we can say that these are the results of the derivative. Now you can see I have written many differential equations here. This is the derivative of y with respect to x. This is the double derivative. This is the third order derivative 3 times. So these are different examples of the differential equation. The important part is that one variable is dependent, the other is independent. Now here if I write this as dx by dy, then in that case the x will be dependent variable and y will be independent variable. It is not necessary that only the y will always be a dependent variable. There can be du by dx, there can be dt by dx, there can be any. But whatever variable is here, that will be dependent, and whatever variable is here, that will be independent. Now the second part is the order of the differential equation. See, if the differential equation contains dy by dx, then the order is 1. If it contains d2y by dx square, then the order is 2. This dy by dx is also written sometime as y1 and d2y by dx square is also written sometime as y2. Even it can be as y dash and it can be as y double dash. Or if it is d3y by dx cube, or it is y3, or it is y triple dash, then the degree will be 3. So here we will see the highest order. Here what is the degree, what is the highest order? I am talking about order here. If dy by dx, the order is 1. If d2y by dx square, the order is 2. If d3y by dx cube, the order is 3. I am talking about order first. So here what is the order? dy by dx. So first order. The order is 1. What is the order here? The order is 2. See here, the order is 3. See here, the order is 1. See here, the order is 2. So I hope it is clear to you that what is the meaning of order. dy by dx is there, then the order is 1. If d2y by dx square, the order is 2. Now here d3y by dx cube is also there and d2y by dx cube square is also there. But we will take the order as 3, the highest. Here you see the order is 1. Here the order is 2. Although dy by dx is there, still the order will be 2. So in this way we calculate the order, and you already read the first order, second order in chapter number 5. Now I am coming to the degree of the differential equation, the third topic in this. And this topic is very important. See, for degree of differential equation, the key point is derivative must be polynomial. The derivative must be polynomial equations. Means the dy by dx must come in the polynomial form. You see here, sin dy by dx, it is not polynomial form. So when the degree will define only when the derivatives are in the polynomial form. You see, so what will be the degree of the first one? Degree of the first one is the power of highest order. What is the degree? Power of highest order. जो हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर है उसका पावर देखेंगे. यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर है dy by dx 1. इसका पावर कितना है? 1. So degree is 1. Here highest order is d2y by dx square. What is the power? 1. So degree is 1. You see here the highest order is d3 by d3y by dx cube. But the power, highest power is 3. But still the degree will be 1. Highest का degree देखिए. You see this one now. The degree is 2. This is 2. Here, please see this part. This is very, very important. I told you it must be polynomial. dy by dx is not in the polynomial form. dy by dx can be dy by dx, dy by dx ka whole square like this. So here, this is not a differential equation where all the derivatives are in the polynomial form. So what is the degree of this one? This is the special I have taken. The degree is not defined. It is differential equation. It is second order differential equation, but the degree is not defined in this particular case. So I hope it is clear to you that what is the meaning of order and what is the meaning of degree. And this problem is very, very important because here it is told that the degree is not defined. There can be an objective, means there can be 1 mark problem, short answer type from this particular part. So clear your concept regarding the order and the degree of differential equation.